Hello everyone and welcome to Deepa Based Classes. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 13, The Longest Step. Let's start with a story. There were three friends, a rabbit, an elephant and a deer. And they were playing together in a park. Then deer said, "Let us see who crossed the stone bridge first." And rabbit thought it will be a fun. But an elephant had a confusion. So he said, "But both of you run fast and I move slowly. And I know that one of you would cross the bridge first. I don't want to play the game." Then Rabbit got an idea and he said, "Don't worry, let's make a rule. We will not run, we will walk." And they started the game. And surprisingly, at the end, the elephant won. And do you know why the elephant won? Because the elephant took big step while walking. So the elephant won. Who takes the biggest step? Because the elephant has big legs. So the elephant takes the biggest step. Children, if you will play this game with your parents, then definitely your parents will win because they can take bigger steps than you while walking. Let's see what is length. It tells the size and distance from one point to another. Basically, it tells us how long the object is. Measurement of length. Length are measured in two different units of measurement. First is standard and second is non-standard. In this chapter, we will learn non-standard unit of measurement. But you should know what is the standard unit of measurement of length. We measure standard unit of measurement using ruler or inch tape. Standard unit of measurement are more accurate than non-standard unit of measurement. But if we need to take a measurement and we don't have any standard measuring instrument available, then we use non-standard units of measurement. Non-standard unit of measurement are not accurate as standard unit of measurements. Some non-standard unit of length are hand span, finger width, step length which is called pace, and arm length which is called cubit. These are called non-standard unit of measurement because these are different from person to person. Your hand of measurement is different from your parents' hand. You have small hands and your parents have big hands. So when we want to measure anything with accuracy, then we go for standard unit of measurement. But here in this chapter, we will only study non-standard unit of measurements. Hand or fingers. He is a Rajat and he wants to find out the length of a few things using his hand span. This is my hand span. For this, you have to spread your hand like this. Area which is covered from thumb tip to little finger tip is called one hand span. Can he use a hand span to find the length of all these things? Answer is no, because here are some items which are less than his hand span. Which things around Rajat are less than a hand span? Things which are less than a hand span are eraser, sharpener and matchbox. What would you use to find the length of those things? All those things which are less than our hand span, we measure those items using our fingers. Make a guess. See these two coconut trees. If the bigger tree is 6 meters height, then guess the height of smaller tree. The smaller tree is looking just half of the bigger tree. And the height of coconut tree is 6 meter, then smaller one would be of 3 meters. Now let's measure some items using non-standard unit of measurement. Firstly, I have this eraser and I'm going to measure this with my finger width. Let us see how long it is. It is 4 fingers long. Next, I have this pencil and I am going to measure this with my hand span. Hand span means the area which covers from thumb to little finger is called hand span. So it is 1 hand span long. Next, we will measure this crayon box. As you can see, it is smaller than my hand span. So I will not measure it with hand span. I will measure it with my fingers. Let's see how long it is. 4 fingers plus 3 more fingers. So it is 7 fingers long. Now I will measure this water bottle. For this, I will use my hand span as well as my fingers. So it is 1 span and 3 fingers long. Now I will measure this sofa with my arm length, which is called cupid. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the sofa is 5 cubit long. Now I will measure the same sofa with my step length, which is also called pace. So let's start measuring. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sofa is 4 pace long. Measure and draw. Now I will draw some objects at a specific distance in any directions using the given measurement. Here in this picture, an ant, a stone and a monkey are given. So the first question is, draw a leaf 2 fingers away from the stone. So now I will make a leaf away from the stone. So firstly I am keeping 2 fingers. You can keep your fingers in any direction because the direction is not given. Now I am going to draw a leaf 2 fingers away from the stone. Now the next question is, draw a banana 5 matchsticks away from the monkey. Here you can see I have some matchsticks. Now I am measuring this distance using matchsticks. And according to the question, I have to make here a banana. So I am going to draw it. Now the next question is, draw a kite 7 fingers away from the stone. Now I am going to measure with my fingers 7 fingers away from the stone. Now here I will draw a kite. Now I have drawn a kite 7 fingers away from the stone. Next question is, draw a cloud 3 matchsticks away from the kite. Now again here we will measure with matchsticks. So let's measure the distance. Now here we will draw a cloud. Let's draw a cloud. So this cloud is 3 matchsticks away from the kite. Next question, draw a bird 4 fingers away from the banana. Now here we will measure with fingers. Now here I am going to draw a bird which is 4 fingers away from the banana. Is that so? Sanju and her friend were trying to find out the length of their different body parts. Here is what they found out. Firstly, Sanju is measuring his face. So he's saying my face is about 1 hand span long. His friend said my arm is not as long as my leg. His leg is longer than his hand. Now this girl is measuring her forehead. So she is saying my forehead is about 4 fingers wide. Now here we have some questions according to this. Do you agree with what they said? Yes, I do agree with what they said. because when I measured, my answers were same. Now I will measure some body parts and write their length. First is my nose. My nose is 3 fingers long. My ear is 3 fingers long. Whatever measurement I did in this chapter was not accurate because I measured with non-standard units of measurement. The answers may vary person to person. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video.